Hello, everyone. It's me, Deshauna, and I'm here with another video. Today, we'll be working on a few things. We're going to brine pork chops in a mixture of water, salt, and sugar. I'm going to make an apple chutney, and we're going to cook those pork chops by first pan searing them and then finishing them off in the oven. I'm going to start off with my brining liquid. I've gotten together my spices, about 3 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to add in some pepper, star anise, and some fresh herbs. First thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and start to dissolve my sugar and salt in some boiling water. And then I'll add that to my mixture and stir it up and make sure everything is nice and mixed together. Now I can start to brine my pork chops, and once that's in, we're going to put that into the refrigerator so it can stay at temp. I've began by putting together my ingredients for my apple chutney. I also have my hastily chopped apples. Now they said that you could pretty much make this by just adding all the ingredients together and cooking it, or you could strategically plot out the way you put your ingredients in. I like to start off with the harder fruits and vegetables to just cook them down a bit before I start adding in other things. Right now I have my butter, some onions, cranberries, and that there is minced ginger that I added in. And I put the ginger in first because I want to open up those flavors before I add in my apples. Here we go. And once I've added my apples in, let that cook a bit. And we're going to add in our spices, our vinegar. I have some jam and 1 cinnamon stick. And I was told that you pretty much want to keep this liquidy or wet. You don't want it to dry out. So if you are cooking your chutney and you see that it's starting to kind of dry out and your juices are going down, I was told you could add fruit juice to it to just keep it nice and juicy. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at my chops. About 18 more minutes. These are the chops for the kids. I've got them all ready. And this one's for mama. I'm going to pull this out, try to drain as much of the excess liquid from it, and then put it on the cutting board to rest a bit while I finish up the pork chops for the kids and my apple chutney. That's what I like about it. It's rested and it's still nice and juicy. You see some of the juices have come out of it, but it's probably still holding a lot of those juices inside of it. So it's about time for me to take my apple chutney off. It's looking good. It's still nice and juicy, and I can see the beautiful pieces of the apples. And I think my fruit juice turned it that red color. So I'm gonna remove it from the heat and sprinkle some cilantro over it and fold that in. And I'm just gonna set this to the side until I'm done with my pork chops. So now I've had them in the oven. I'm testing it to make sure it hit temp. And here you have a final plate. In this plate, I've added a sweet potato with my apple chutney and pork chop. Doesn't that look good? Well, thanks guys for stopping by again. I really appreciate the support. If you have a chance, leave a like and a comment. Let me know how you feel about this dish and what do you like to put with your pork chops. Until next time, guys.